I have pasted here the happy birthday melody. Let's just sit and listen. And let's listen to the final part of Mission Impossible. For the last time. It has been used for testing, and now it's time to say goodbye. We have come so far. And yet we still haven't given enough tribute to Elf. Change the title of the main window. Although it has no effect on functionality, such a title is more descriptive. We are still not done with improving the UI. Instead of one button, there should be several for inserting samples. Therefore, the top part will be given to an instruments panel with multiple columns. First, we need a button to add a sound. On click, the text should be continued. In its click event, you need to add to its text a new line by writing environment new line plus letter B. In other words, letter B will be inserted starting at a new line. Let's check how useful it is. Add another button to add a pause. It's also a nice practice to add a tooltip to every button. The code is almost identical, but for S instead of B. If you feel the urge to edit the add sound click event to paste sounds with frequencies, stop where you are. Instead, make a new button for that. Of course, it means adding more columns to the grid in column definitions. As you see, all these steps are very easy. And it is easy to maintain the code. For a beep with frequency, you can either use concatenation, idest type B in quotation marks, then the plus sign, then the number, or use string format. 0 stands for frequency, the first argument. The button for inserting a beep with both frequency and duration differs from the previous one only by the quantity of arguments in string format. 1 stands for duration, the second argument passed in milliseconds.